Hey guys, sino ang naiwan ng plane? Good morning guys, I am already here at the airport. I'm traveling to the US. At kinakabahan ako kasi sobrang iksi ng mga transit ko and I'm traveling like 3 planes. Kaya good luck to me. I think this is an amazing race. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. At good luck to me. And let's go! I'm here at Marhaba Lounge. I still have like an hour before my boarding, before my amazing race. So kain muna ako ng gutom kasi ako. Though may pagkain naman sa plane. Pero let's see how it goes. So I had pasta, bread, tonic water, and of course, coffee. Hey guys, I'm on my way now to my boarding gate. It's around like 4:30. Boarding time is 4:50. So yeah, the flight is 1.5 hours lang naman. So I'll be flying to Hong Kong muna. Tapos yun na yung doon na magsisimula ang masasaklap na sandali ko. Kasi yung flight ko, the next flight that I will be having is like I only have 1 hour and 25 minutes for me to reach the other gate. So yeah, good luck to me. Guys, I made it to leg 1. I'm already on my boarding gate. Grabe, na-delay yung flight. Kasi medyo maulan dito sa Hong Kong. But I'm here in Hong Kong International Airport. So I have a connecting flight going to New York. This is a long flight, so good luck. Pero naka-aisle seat naman ako. So, yeah. Let's keep the adventure going. Hey guys, I am already here in New York, JFK Airport. So I arrived at Terminal 8 and then nandito ngayon ako sa Terminal 5 because I am flying another domestic flight to Florida. I have a 6 hours layover pero nag-check-in na ako. Tapos naghintay na lang ako sa loob kasi wala namang mga restaurants around the airport. So lumipat lang ako ng airport. Bumili lang ako ng Dunkin, tapos tsaka bread. Yeah, medyo busog pa naman ako kasi ang dami kong kinain sa plane. So ayun, I can't wait na makahiga sa totoong bed kasi sobrang pagod na ako. But last flight, we're gonna make it. On my way to my boarding gate. Hey guys, let me show you my room. So when you enter, this is where you can have your coffee. Tapos there's parang mini sala here, and then there's TV, tapos may work area, and then going to my room, ito yung bed ko, tapos meron ding closet, and then there's also TV, and then the view is the pool. pool, di ba? So here's the CR naman. So yeah, towel, sink, bowl, tapos merong bathtub and shower. Tapos there is shampoo, shower gel, tsaka conditioner. Yeah, I think that's it. So grabe na yung pagod ko. I think I have been traveling for like 30 hours, more than 30 hours na yata. So I will call it a night. And I am just grateful na nakarating na tayo dito finally. And yeah, hope I can film pa a few vlogs in the next days that I'm staying, because I'm just staying here for quite a while lang. So yeah, welcome to West Palm Beach in Florida. Good morning guys. So ayan, I'm walking here. Sobrang init. Parang Pilipinas pero it's not that dry yung heat. I'm walking going to Walmart kasi maghahanap na ako ng mga food kasi medyo malalayo yung mga ano dito. Yung mga shops. Though, ayan, marami naman tayong nakikita here. Pero magkakalayo siya kasi malaki siya. So it's like medyo malayo siya from my hotel. So magsastock na lang ako ng mga snacks din para hindi na ako lalabas from time to time. Tapos yeah, baka I'll just grab some lunch then after. Now here in Walmart. West Palm outlet store. So there are good brands naman. Tapos I'll just roam around and let's see kung ano yung mga deals na makikita natin. Apparently, nakapag-shopping tayo konti. Marami din nagpasabay ng mga friends natin para masulit natin yung punta natin dito kasi it's medyo malayo siya from where I'm staying. I think okay naman yung brands and okay naman din yung deals dito. Marami naman choices pero wala nang mga luxury items, konti lang. So, nag-enjoy naman ako. Ang dami ko nabili din. So, this is my $16 meal. So, I got rice and 2 kinds of chicken plus drink. Okay naman yung food. Orange chicken parang hindi lang ganun ka orangey. Tapos hindi masyadong crispy na. Masyado na siyang nahalo sa sauce. But yung chicken, their chicken was good. It reminds me parang inasal levels or chicken barbecue. Yeah, it's good. Okay naman, sulit naman to. This is like $16. So I think okay naman. Na-miss ko na kasi magkanin. Ilang araw pa lang pero na-miss ko na magkanin. So I am supposed to just get coffee. Apparently, inaabot tayo ng ulan. So I'm stuck here. Oh, ang lakas ng ulan. Here kasi in Florida, parang extreme siya. Na parang, kanina sobrang init. As in, nung umalis ako sa hotel, it's super sunny. Tapos bigla nagdidilim. Nung naglalakad ako. Tapos apparently, ayun. Umalan na. Tapos ito, na-stuck ako dito. Buti na lang nakahanap ako ng shade. But, yun, sobrang erratic kasi yung weather dito sa Florida. As in, ang bilis umulan. Tapos mamaya, sobrang init na naman yan. So, ayan. Papadila lang ako ng ulan here. Tapos, just get coffee. Tapos, I'll just roam around dito. Nearby. What I'm planning today is afternoon, Tam Beach. With this rain. With this rain. Pero yun yung plan ko today. Afternoon, I'll go to the beach. Baka pag after I get coffee, ikot lang ako dito. Tapos I'll go back to my hotel. Tapos baka mag-swim ako tsaka mag-gym lang. Tapos after that, baka mga afternoon around 3 PM or 4 PM, I'll just go to the beach. Tapos let's see. This is my last day here. So yun. So tomorrow, I'll be flying back to Manila na kagad. My flight is at night around 7 PM. So nakapag-ask ako to have a late check-out tomorrow para hindi mo ako masyadong maaga pumunta ng airport. So yun, siguro tomorrow morning hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Baka I'll just go dun sa may nakatang Dollar Tree dun malapit lang dun sa hotel. Tapos baka ikot lang saglit tapos kunin yung luggage, then Uber to the airport. So good luck na naman for another like 28 to 30 hours of flight going back to Manila. But it is what it is. But I think this trip was a bit fruitful, I would say. Sobrang last minute kasi the work call, so wala tayong magagawa. But I guess it was a good one. Ang masaya din yung experience to be alone here. Tapos, first time ko to go here in Florida. Okay, coffee break muna. I got the iced coffee of Dunkin'. Mas gusto ko to kaysa sa Starbucks, to be honest here. It's good. Mura lang. Like, this is like $3.69. Not bad. I also got Boston cream. Sobrang oozing yung Boston cream here. O diba, after umulan na na-stuck tayo, ayan, okay na ulit siya. Maaraw na naman. The weather here is grabe, parang kakaiba talaga. Pool, by the pool. Wala akong magawa eh. So, yeah. Team pool, yeah, look. heading now to the beach. This is the Ocean Beach Park in Boynton Beach in Florida. So yeah, let's go. Guys, it's midnight at nagutom ako. So maglalakad ako going to McDonald's around siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes walk lang naman from my hotel. Nakakatawa. Diba? Sulitin natin ang huling gabi natin dito sa Florida. For my nuggets. So sinasawsaw ko na rin yung chicken sandwich ko. Hey guys, I'm already here at the airport going home. So it will be another long flight for me. Good luck na naman to me on catching flights and not feelings. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Already here at Boston Logan Airport. Hindi ko alam. I am completely puzzled kung tama ba talaga yung nangyari sa akin. Kasi, so galing ako ng West Palm Beach na airport going to Boston. Kasi I have a connecting flight going to Hong Kong. Tapos, nakasulat naman dun sa mga yung terminal ko is magpapalit ako ng terminal, pero connecting naman yung terminal, lakad lang. I don't need to get out and all. Sabi sa akin dun sa sa West Palm, sa Manila ko na daw makukuha yung baggage ko. Tapos, ang boarding pass na meron lang ako is yung from West Palm to Boston, tapos Boston to Hong Kong. Pero yung Boston to Hong Kong ko, papel-papel lang, tapos wala masyadong details na nakasulat. Pero may seat number na ako doon. Apparently, yung flight ko was delayed. It was delayed from supposedly 1:45 AM na move siya ng 5:50 AM, including yung leg ko ng Hong Kong to Manila na move na rin. So, ayun. Ang issue ko ay, hindi ko sure kung tama ba ito. Kasi from doon nga, parang technically, parang domestic siya. Kasi parang interstate lang siya. Kasi from Florida to Boston. Tapos, hindi na ako dumaan ng security check. Tinanong ko yung dapat dun sa baggage claim. Palabas kasi kung magbabaggage claim ka. Sabi ko, I have a connecting flight to Hong Kong. Sabi niya, no, you go directly to your gate. Sabi niya ganun. So, hindi ko alam kung tama ba talaga to. Kasi hindi ako dumaan ulit sa security check. As in, dire-diretso lang. Naglipat lang ako ng gate. Though, doon naman dun sa Palm Beach, sa Florida, nag-security check na rin naman ako doon. I mean, parang nag-picture ng ganun-ganun. Hindi ko lang sure, I'm just surprised lang na ganun. Hindi ko na rin alam kung tama ba talaga to. Kasi, nung papunta ako, nag-stop over muna ako ng New York. Doon ako nag-immigration. Dito parang wala ng immigration. Doon na ata doon sa West Palm. So, ayun, hindi ko na rin alam. Meron akong boarding pass from Boston to Hong Kong. Pero Hong Kong to Manila, wala pa akong boarding pass. Tapos hindi ko alam kung legit ba yun, yung boarding pass na nakuha ko. Kasi doon nandun naman yung sticker ng luggages ko and all. Ayun, hindi ko alam. Anyway, ano pa lang, 11:30 pa lang. Eh, yung flight ko pa is 5:50. Iniisip ko maghahanap ako ng lounge access. Kasi I have platinum card. Tatanungin ko dun sa Delta whether kung pasok siya dun sa free access ko this year. May dalawang international access ako eh. Tignan ko lang. So ayun, kasi gutom na ako. Sarado lahat ng mga kainan dito. Pati yung mga mga stores. Di ko alam. Ang lungkot ng airport. Walang ganap. Anyway, sige, punta muna ako sa lounge. Tignan ko kung what can I do. And, yeah, that's it. Bahala na. Makakauwi o makakauwi. Kailangan ko makauwi. Gusto ko na umuwi. Pagod na ako. Hey guys, update. Hindi tinanggap yung card ko dun sa lounge. I mean, specific lang yung cards that they are accepting. Hindi ko sure kung pwedeng magbayan na lang. Gusto ko nga sana kasi nagugutom na kasi talaga ako. And all of the stores here in Boston Airport are closed. As in, wala kang mabilhan. Alam mo ba, nakakatawa kasi nakita ko lang to sa bag ko. Takis. Anghang. So, tinatsaga ako siya para lang magkaroon lang ng makain. Tapos, buti may mga water refilling station. So, ayun. Sana maitawid ko to hanggang mamaya. Kasi nga, my flight was delayed. I am supposed to be leaving at 1:45 a.m. But apparently, na-move siya ng 5:50 a.m. So, like 4 hours. Gutom na ako, inaantok ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko na. But anyway, good luck to me! Hey guys, sino ang naiwan ng plane? Naiwan ako ng plane ko kasi na-move yung flight ko from dapat 9:30. It was moved to 11:30. Eh, nagkaroon pa ng delay. So, ayun, naiwan ako ng plane 11:30. Dumating yung plane 12 na. But good thing my flight was bumped to like 2 p.m. 2:05. So, I am heading already to my boarding gate. I still have an hour. Nagugutom ako. May gusto kong kainan dito. So, I think kakain muna ako. Yun lang. Manila. So, yun nga, na-bump off yung flight ko. Naiwan ako ng plane. Supposedly 7:20 yung flight ko from Hong Kong to Manila. Since nagkaroon ng delay, it was moved to 11:30. Pero since nagkaroon na naman ng additional delay, naiwan ako ng plane. So, na-move yung flight ko to 2:05. Apparently, nagkaroon na naman ng delay. It was moved to 3:40. Pero nakapag-board na kami 4. Nakalis na kami ng Hong Kong mga 4:30 ata. Patulog na naman ako eh. So, it's already like 7 at night here in Manila. Super delayed. So, but good that I finally land here in Manila. And yeah, pagod na pagod ako. Yung katawang lupa ko humihiwalay na. But thank you for joining me in this journey with my US trip. And yeah, hope to see you soon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!